And we've got another one to have a look at right here. We're going to speak to Sean. How are you?
Yeah, really well.
A big smile on his face, so that's good. We're saying hello for the first time. Let's rip the covers off, and as you do that, you can tell us exactly what we... And ready to go as we roll on through our unveils here at Maguire's Motorex. And we've got another one to have a look at right here. We're going to speak to Sean. How are you?
Yeah, really well.
A big smile on his face, so that's good. We're saying hello for the first time. Let's rip the covers off, and as you do that, you can tell us exactly what we see.
Mate, that is the best car ever made. That is a Holden HT GTS Monaro Baptist, and it's my pride and joy, and look how good it is.
Beautiful. Okay, so let's hear a little bit about it. That just looks absolutely amazing. And you're right, this is Bathurst heritage right here, isn't it? You look too young to be watching cars like this run around the great track, though.
Yeah, wait till I take my hat off, mate. What a great hairs. But yeah, look, this has a lot of heritage, this vehicle, and as a kid, I had posters of these on the wall. Not Ferraris and Porsches, Holdens, and this is the pinnacle in my opinion.
Amazing. All right, so where did you get the car from? How did you have to buy it?
Yeah, look, I got it about 4 years ago, and I bought it at an auction. I looked at many HTs. I looked at a lot of modified ones, a lot of fast ones, and this one's the matching number car. Had a lot of really cool history, and that's the reason I bought it.
Beautiful. All right, so you bought it. What happened from there?
Okay, then I drove it. So I bought it, drove it. It's one of the best cars ever to go on a pub crawl with, and I've got a few mates with good cars as well, so we used to just drive around.
Beautiful. And when did the build start? What was that process?
Well, I live in South East Queensland. I got a couple of bumps in the paint from a lot of rain we had, a lot of humidity, and then I took it to the boys at Exclusive Custom. It's a classic example of a HT GTS Monaro. I mean, it's all original, and the other really cool thing to point out is the history of this car. It was actually owned by a journalist on a magazine, right? So it was Performance Street Car magazine, and in the 80s this was actually a giveaway car. Somebody won this car, and here I am with it today. So it's got a lot of cool history.
That's amazing. All right, so who would you like to say thank you to that helped you bring it all together? Of course, we've got Exclusive Customs. Anyone else?
Yeah, look, the guys at Exclusive Customs, these guys live in breed cars. When I first met them, I knew they were the right guys to do a job like this, and as you can see, they put a lot of love into this one. Also, my wife, she lets me make some really dumb financial decisions, and lets me get away with a hell of a lot. So
you need to listen to Dino, just don't tell her anything.
No, she's pretty good about it.
Nice, mate. All right, well, Shauno and the whole team, let's make plenty of noise for this beautiful HT. How good, well done.
Cheers, guys.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Yeah.